In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow or outer glow to your text to make it pop a little bit better on any kind of art piece that you want to make. So let's say that I have this font here. This is Hogwarts if you're a fan of Harry Potter, and you can click on the layer, go up to the top left here under Layer, go to Layer Styles and Blending Options. Now once this window pops up, you have a lot of options that you can do. So for a drop shadow, you can see that the opacity will be raised all the way up, and now you can see the shadow here. Now you can use these adjusters and really experiment to see how close you want them to look. And this can really make your font or a photo or really anything pop a little bit more off the page. And then you can also somewhat do the same thing with an outer glow. It's a little bit different. There's not as many options specific because it is a different setting, but that's how you add a drop shadow to your font. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video for some easy Photoshop tips. See ya.